Hello people, welcome back. In this video we will see the file and insert tab features. As you can see, it's asking classic or 3D workspace to select. We'll go with 2D, classic. This is the interface of Autocad 2007. So the first thing you must always when you open Autocad is set your page. So it becomes easy to plot later and print your drawing. Type UL, hit enter, then click on decimal drop down box. As you can see, there are 5 types. Keep it decimal for proper precision measurement. And precision is like decimal point you use in maths. 1.5 meters or 1.75 meters. You can see many type of scales here. Inches, feet, even miles. So I'm setting it to meters. Angle ain't that compulsory in 2D, so keep it as it is. The second one to set the page is drawing limits. It says specify lower left corner. So 0, 0 using comma locks the number. Now it says upper right corner. I'm just typing for an example 20,000 meters. 20,000, 20,000. Hit enter. And then Z enter for zooming and A enter adjusting. So this completes the page setup for your drawing. As you can see here, the file tab features with the new sheet. It helps to create another blank sheet. Then comes the new sheet set, as the name defines, set of sheets. You can add multiple sheets in a sheet set and no need to print individual drawing if there are many. Select paper sizes and print multiple sheets in one click. Now open. You can open other drawings which you created. And same for open set sheet. Next one is markup set. It means you want to change any measurement or design from other professionals or your team. You can mark the changeable data with description that what to change. I don't have any markup file. So it shows like this. The file does not contain markup data. Yeah, this looks complicated. If you have any doubt, you can comment. Let's see what Autocad says about this. Using markups make it easy to provide feedback and review drawing even if they don't have Autocad. Now that's crazy. Next is close, which closes the application as usual. And you already know about the save. You can save your drawing in DWF format. Next one is page setup manager. Again, as the name itself says, here you can set the page. You can even set the paper sizes. There are a bunch of paper sizes: A1, A2, A3, A4 and furthermore. Set your desired settings like quality here are draft, preview, presentation, custom. And orientation should be landscape for better results. Then OK and hit close. As you can see, dotted lines are printable area. And the border is the A3 page which we set earlier. And the same goes for plotting. Set the paper you can print or convert to PDF format. Then comes publish. It's more likely as a save option. view and plot publish details. As you can see, I didn't add any extra details like file name and description, so it's not showing anything. In drawing utilities, audit means to fix any errors, and recover option help to get back database. As you can see here, there were no errors in the drawing. Here I have a wall cross-section drawing. And here the file which you saved appears. So next we move towards the edit tab. First option is undo. As everybody know, undo is used to come one step back or on what you created, and vice versa for redo. Here it's showing undo, pan and zoom. You know what is zoom, but what is pan then? It means you can move your drawing to any corner by holding at the scroll button of the mouse and move it. So the next option is cut. For example, I'll select the whole drawing and cut it, and I can paste it somewhere else. The same goes with copy. Copy with base point means you should select base point of the drawing and select whole drawing. Hit space. Then right click somewhere on the blank sheet and paste. Copy link means sheet link gets copied. You know paste already. The clear option deletes your drawing. And lastly, find option. It's as same as the find option in Microsoft Excel. Find a word and replace it with something else. So that's it for today. If you have any doubts, comment below. Thanks for watching.